Grignard reagent is nothing but RMGX. Grignard reagent is nothing but RMGX. Grignard reagent. Acha, how it is prepared? What is the use of Grignard reagent? Acha, we already studied organometallic compound in complex compounds. Sigma bonded Grignard organometallic compound. Pi bond organometallic compound. Sigma pi organometallic compound we studied. Simply, metal carbon bond is called organometallic compound. Grignard reagent is also an example for organometallic compound. It is also an example for organometallic compound. It is a organometallic compound. Organometallic compound. Organometallic compound. Grignard reagent is nothing but organometallic compound. How it is prepared, you can discuss. We can discuss how it is prepared. Grignard reagent. Acha, RX. For example, I go for ethyl chloride, ethyl bromide, RCl plus Mg. अच्छा देखो RMgCl. अच्छा ये क्या और एग्जांपल है, ठीक है क्या एग्जांपल है CH3 CH2Cl magnesium. अच्छा you take here inert solvent because whenever active metals are taken, you take inert solvent only. I think generally you take ether is inert solvent only. In ether medium, we get C2H5 MgCl. But the question they may ask, what is the order of reactivity of alkyl halides? अच्छा, for example, मैंने here मैंने Ri लिया, RBr, RCl, RF. अच्छा, which is a more reactive one towards magnesium metal? Which is a more reactive one? Suppose instead of ethyl chloride, ethyl bromide, ethyl iodide, ethyl fluoride, so order of reactivity is greater in case of Ri, RBr, RCl, RF. Because sometimes questions they may ask like this. Sometimes questions may ask like this. Sometimes questions may ask CH2Br, CH2I. When react with 1 mole of magnesium, of course, 1 mole of magnesium is unstable only, but they ask the question 1 mole of magnesium when ether medium, which are the following compound is found? Means which is a better leaving group, I na Br? But they once again you can check order of reactivity. This is a more reactive. I minus is a better leaving group, more reactive. So that's why the first compound is found in nothing but CH2Br. CH2MgI is found. So order of reactivity, once again you check order of reactivity. Ri is more reactive than RBr, RCl, and RF is a the tendency is very less. RF tendency is very less. RF tendency is very less one. RF tendency is very less one. Right. So order of reactivity, once again you check order of reactivity. This is order of reactivity. Now one more question is here formation of carbon in case of Grignard reagent. In case of Grignard reagent आप देख लीजिए Grignard reagent में अच्छा CH3Br suppose CH3 MgBr CH3 माइनस है ये कार्बन आयन है ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज है कार्बन आयन है Ferrocyanide formation in case of carbon ion stability order is primary is greater than secondary which is greater than tertiary. In case of carbon ion stability order, this is stability order. So the questions are asking like this. Acha, here I will give three compound CH3 Br. Acha, this question number 1. Now question number 2. Br Mg. Acha, question number 3. I go for allyl. Yeah. Please unmute your mic. Please, somebody noise is coming. Somebody, please mute your mic. Chalo, now. Ajay, what is the compound formed here? CH3 MgBr. Here carbon ion is a primary carbon ion. प्राइमरी कार्बन आयन है बट यहां देख लीजिए ये सेकेंडरी कार्बन आयन है अच्छा कंपाउंड फॉर्म लाइक दिस MgBr ये कार्बन आयन इज सेकेंडरी कार्बन आयन है now third one is CH2 double bond CH2 MgBr. अच्छा ये देखिए ये allyl है. Once again you check the stability of carbon ion. Stability of carbon ion में allyl is more stable than primary, then secondary, then tertiary. Even in case of benzyl is the most stable. In case of phenyl, methyl, that is the most stable. So among 1, 2, 3, which is a easily can form Grignard reagent is a third one is because third one is allyl. Second one is secondary. First one is primary. So order of reactive they are asking among these three. Order of reactive 3 is the more reactive, easily can form then 1, then 2. Because 3 is allyl. Acha 1 is a primary. Acha 2 is a secondary. Logical question chance untundi. So when react with the Grignard reagent in medium, which medium? In ether medium, inert solvent medium, which are the following compound can form very easily means you can check over it because in Grignard reagent formation में carbon ion formation. Carbon ion stability is reverse when compared to carbocation free radical. So allyl is more stable than primary than secondary one. Now note करें. This is the order of reactivity of allyl, primary, secondary order. Now, where Grignard reagents are used in organic chemistry, particularly from alcohol chapter, aldehyde chapter, like carboxylic acid chapter, whatever may be. So, some important application we are going to discuss. देखो some important applications. Mostly these are involved in nucleophilic addition reaction. Achha, first I go for reaction with carbonyl compound. First application number one, reaction with carbonyl compound. Reaction with the carbonyl compound. reacts with the carbonyl compound is an example for nucleophilic addition. Is an example for nucleophilic addition. Nucleophilic addition. Nucleophilic addition. Nucleophilic addition. So once again, we can check it up in carbonyl compounds. C double bond O. C double bond O. When react with some Grignard reagent, RMGX. So this RMGX is a Grignard reagent. RMGX is a Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Achha, for our kind of information, we know is a polar compound. Carbonyl will be polar compound. Polar compound means partial negative charge. Oxygen के लिए, carbon के लिए partial positive charge. Now Grignard reagent में क्या होता है? Grignard reagent में partial negative charge है. In case of alkyl group है, this is a partial positive charge है. In case of Grignard. Now nucleophilic addition. So where electron deficiency is there, then carbon is attacked. Where electron deficiency is there, it acting like a nucleophile. Nucleophile attack at the center where electron density is less one, and this is a positive charge and oxygen negative charge. So what is obtained in general? What is obtained? यहाँ R group है, O minus and MgX, O minus and MgX. Now further followed by hydrolysis. Further followed by hydrolysis. In hydrol cheste in acidic medium, it undergoes hydrolysis. Hydrolysis reaction. What happens? H plus and OH minus. मतलब क्या बनेगा आप देख लीजिए, कार्बन है एक R and OH, alcohols है, is alcohols plus magnesium hydroxy halide, magnesium hydroxy halide. So that means when react with the carbonyl compound, corresponding alcohols are formed. When react with the carbonyl compound, corresponding alcohols are formed. So ultimate compounds are what? Ultimate compounds are what? Ultimate compounds are what? Ultimate compounds are corresponding alcohols are formed. Whether it is a primary, secondary, tertiary, depends upon which carbonyl compound you take. So when react with the carbonyl compound, Grignard reagent react with the carbonyl compound. So which compounds are formed? Finally, alcohols are formed. Whether this alcohol is a primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, they may decide this carbonyl compound may depend on it. So general mechanism reacts with the Grignard reagent. Please note करो. General mechanism क्या है? कार्बन में positive charge, oxygen में negative charge. Grignard reagent में carbon ion है, acting like a nucleophile है. Nucleophile attack at the center where electron density is less. So electron deficiency carbon దగ్గర R attack అవుతుంది. But MgX అనేది oxygen తో attach అయి ఉంటుంది. But followed by hydrolysis జరిగితే మనకి alcohol వస్తే one application we can discuss with applications. Let's go for application. Chalo, some application we are going to discuss. With same reaction with the carbonyl compound, some applications discuss. Some application discuss. Acha, application number 1. Application number 1. Formaldehyde. Formaldehyde react with the Grignard reagent like CH3MgBr. Acha, same mechanism na. You can check same mechanisms. Carbon and oxygen में which is more electronegative? Oxygen. Carbon की partial positive charge रावाले, oxygen की partial negative charge रावाले. अच्छा, माने as a nucleophile, CH3 minus where can attack? Carbon negative attack होगा. CH3 minus can attack where the electron density is less रावाले. अच्छा, shall I write like same compound, similar compound like चलो वो దగ్గర MgBr యాడ్ అవుతుంది. अच्छा, ఆల్రెడీ హైడ్రోజన్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ, కార్బన్ దగ్గర ఒక మిథైల్ గ్రూప్ యాడ్ అవుతుంది. ఆల్రెడీ హైడ్రోజన్ ఇస్ దేర్. Already hydrogen is there. This is first step. Just like previous mechanism, first step. Followed by hydrolysis. Followed by hydrolysis. followed by hydrolysis. Followed by hydrolysis. In hydrolysis చేస్తే మనకి ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? In hydrolysis చేస్తే మనకి ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? Hydrolysis means H plus OH minus. Hydrolysis చేస్తే H plus OH minus. क्या बनेगा देखो CH3 CH2 OH అంటే primary alcohol CH3 CH2 OH. Nothing but primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. And our formaldehyde react with lignol reagent. Which of the following compounds are found in nothing but primary alcohol is found? When formaldehyde react with lignol reagent, which of the following alcohol primary alcohol is found? Primary alcohol is found. Acha, question is okay, but suppose then formaldehyde, sorry. Suppose my question, anybody can tell the answer. When formaldehyde react with lignol reagent followed by hydrolysis. Suppose if I want a propyl alcohol C3H7OH. अच्छा देखो CH3 CH2 CH2OH. Of course this is also primary alcohol. Whenever formaldehyde react with the lignol reagent, primary alcohol is found. Obviously primary alcohol is found. Now can you tell which lignol reagent I am supposed to take? Which lignol reagent I am supposed to take? Here in previous example you see here formaldehyde how many carbon? 1 carbon. Acha, lignol reagent how many carbon? 1 carbon. Acha, the obtained carbon containing how many carbon? 2 carbon. Simple logic. Right? Suppose if I want to prepare 3 carbon, anybody can tell 3 carbon alcohol, primary alcohol, already you take 1 carbon formaldehyde. Now which of the following lignol is supposed to take? Anybody can tell the answer? Which of the following alkyl have? Yes, very good. अच्छा, 2 carbon lignol is supposed to take. 2 carbon lignol क्या है? C2H5MgBr. A simple application. If you want to prepare 3 carbon lignol reagent, what is the required only? This is the required only C2H5MgBr. Okay, note kar. Then I go for another example. That means very simple. Formaldehyde, any formaldehyde react with any lignol reagent, ultimately the compound found is nothing but primary alcohols. Chalo, one more example. I go for acetaldehyde. This is formaldehyde, na? Acha, I think some students doesn't know what is the compound name itself also. This is formaldehyde, na? Formaldehyde కనుక lignol reagent తో రియాక్షన్ జరిగితే మనకి primary alcohol వస్తుంది. Chalo, I give for 2 application for you. I go for 2 application for you. Now 2 application. I go for 2 application. Application. देख लीजिए. 2 application. Acetaldehyde. अच्छा, react with the lignol reagent. अच्छा, followed by hydrolysis. Next step. This is acetaldehyde. Next, one more application. Acetone. Acetone when react with the lignol reagent. This is acetone. Acetone react with the lignol reagent. Acha, what are the compound form? Can you tell what are the compounds? Anybody? Anybody? Acha, what is intermediate compound? Very simple funda. Carbon and oxygen, which is a more even value? Oxygen is a more even value. Acha, CH3 minus sign, this is a plus sign. Acha, initial compound, just you can write initial compound hai. Carbon mein you can write methyl hai. Then this is already hydrogen hai. Oxygen ke saath you can write OMgBr. OMgBr. Then followed by hydrolysis hai. Then followed by hydrolysis है H plus and OH minus है. आप देख लीजिए secondary alcohol है. We can like this secondary alcohol कैसे लिखता है? CH3 CHOH CH3 means secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol means acetaldehyde react with the Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis acidic medium. You get secondary alcohol right? Secondary alcohol వస్తుంది. మరి ఎసిటోన్ తో ఏమొస్తుంది? ఎసిటోన్ తో ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి? ఎసిటోన్ తో ఏమొస్తుంది? अच्छा सेम मैकेनिज्म है. सेम मैकेनिज्म है. CH3 में न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन है. सेम मैकेनिज्म यू कैन राइट CH3. अच्छा ऑक्सीजन के साथ वो MgBr है. This is already methyl group is there. This methyl added to electron deficient carbon methyl. Then followed by hydrolysis. Then followed by hydrolysis. Followed by hydrolysis. अब देखो hydrolysis में क्या है? H plus and OH minus. ये देखिए tertiary alcohol है. CH3 taken thrice COH. मतलब tertiary alcohol. अच्छा when Grignard reagent react with the carbonyl compound. Whether formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, acetone, what are the compounds are formed? We can check the compounds are formed. अच्छा conclude करो, ऐसा conclude करना. Yes, we can conclude like this. We conclude like this. Note करो, we conclude like this. A Grignard reagent react with just conclusion है. कैसा conclude कर सकता है? देखो. With the Grignard reagent. With the Grignard reagent. With the Grignard reagent. With the Grignard reagent. Formaldehyde always gives primary alcohol. अच्छा acetaldehyde always gives secondary alcohol. Acetone always gives a tertiary alcohol. अच्छा this is the conclusion है. अच्छा with the Grignard reagent formaldehyde always gives a primary alcohol, acetaldehyde gives secondary alcohol, acetone gives a tertiary alcohol. This is always key. अच्छा with the Grignard reagent formaldehyde gives primary, acetaldehyde gives secondary alcohol, acetone gives a tertiary alcohol. But length of the carbon chain depends upon the what is the suppose 2 carbon alcohol is required methyl magnesium bromide, 3 carbon alcohol is required ethyl, 4 carbon required propyl. So this common sense question only. Which now how many number of carbon atoms they asked? Primary alcohol containing 2 carbon or 3 carbon or 4 carbon అనేది మనం డిసైడ్ చేయొచ్చు. But ultimately Grignard reagent to reaction carbonyl compound లో ఈ compounds are very important. Now acid chloride के लिए हम डिस्कस करेंगे. Now note करो. Then I go for next application है. अच्छा only one application we discussed. Grignard reagent react with carbonyl compound. What are the compounds are found ultimately? Ultimately alcohols. अच्छा formaldehyde तो primary alcohol, acetaldehyde secondary alcohol, acetone tertiary alcohol. Some important what is some important मतलब if compounds containing acidic hydrogens compounds containing acetic because you know Grignard reagent carbon is a nucleophile, is a base only, which can abstract the proton only, which proton acidic hydrogens only. So if compound containing acidic hydrogens when react with the Grignard reagent, actually acidic hydrogens one compound చెప్తాం సార్ నేను
డాడీ
ఎసిటిల్ లో acidic hydrogen ఉంది, ఆల్కహాల్ లో acidic hydrogens ఉంది, ఎమైడ్ లో acidic hydrogen ఉంది, ఎమైడ్ లో acidic hydrogen ఉంది. అంటే ఎలక్ట్రాన్ వితరాయన గ్రూప్ ఉన్న పక్కన ఉన్న డిసెంట్ హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఏమంటాం అంటే acidic hydrogens అంటాం మనకి. లైక్ somebody is singing. Chalo, these are some examples for acidic hydrogens. These are some examples for acidic hydrogen. Which containing acidic hydrogen? देखो, ये acidic hydrogen है, ये acidic hydrogen है, one of the acidic hydrogen है. अच्छा, ये वाला acidic hydrogen है. Because immediately it loses an electron, it becomes a aromaticity వచ్చేస్తుంది మనకి ఈ compound. अच्छा, whenever Grignard reagent react with, for example, I am adding for all these compounds, I am adding some Grignard reagent like CH3MgBr. 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 अच्छा क्या बनेगा आप देख लीजिए. अच्छा this is a nucleophile, this is a proton है. This is a proton है. This is a proton है. Sorry, this is a base है. Which abstract the proton from compound containing acidic hydrogens. अच्छा దీని నుంచి ఒక ప్రోటాన్ అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకొని మనకి ఏం ఫామ్ CH4 వస్తుంది. అంటే ఆల్కేన్ లో హైడ్రోకార్బన్ లో ప్రిపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్కేన్ లో మనం మీథేన్ ప్రిపరేషన్ లో డిస్కస్ చేయొచ్చు. మనం ప్రిపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ మీథేన్ లో డిస్కస్ చేయొచ్చు. CH4 వస్తుంది. రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది కాంపౌండ్ యు కెన్ రైట్ లైక్ దిస్. రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది కాంపౌండ్ ఇస్ HC triple bond C MgBr. Achha doesn't want, we doesn't want byproduct only, we want methane. Preparation of methane lo one of the method is. Achha suppose if I want ethane, if I want ethane, then I go for C2H5MgBr. C2H5MgBr, then which can abstract the proton and compound formed is nothing but C2H6. अच्छा preparation of alkane the best suitable method है, best suitable method है. अच्छा here also suppose if you want methane, then methyl magnesium bromide है, methyl magnesium bromide है. अच्छा बनेगा CH4 है. The rest of the compound you can write it. Now here also suppose if you want to go for C2H5MgBr है, यहाँ से प्रोटॉन एलिमिनेट करेगा because the reason आप देख लीजिए एक प्रोटॉन निकलेंगे ये एरोमेसिटी होगा. So it is acidic, it is having more acidic hydrogens. So आपको क्या बनेगा आप देख लीजिए, आपको C2H6. A special case है when a Grignard reagent react with a compound containing acidic hydrogen, or particularly alkanes are formed. मतलब here ultimately what we can write. So compounds containing acidic hydrogen when react with the Grignard reagent RMGX, alkanes are final compounds. Alkanes are final compounds. This is the conclusion. अच्छा these are compound. Acetylene गानी, alcohol गानी, amides गानी, this acidic hydrogens गानी. अच्छा इनका చెప్పాలంటే water molecule गानी, deuterium oxide गानी. So इनका చెప్పాలంటే మీకు ఇంకా చెప్పాలంటే నేను వాటర్ రాయొచ్చులా నేను H2O రాయొచ్చు with Grignard reagent CH3MgBr रायचू. अच्छा क्या बनेगा CH4 बनेगा प्लस मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्सी ब्रोमाइड. अच्छा sometimes they will ask deuterium oxide also, DOD, deuterium oxide also. So when react with the Grignard reagent है like CH3MgBr है, अच्छा आपको बनेगा ड्यूटेरोमीथेन. अच्छा CH3D, what we call deuteromethane. Any application they may ask, because in alkane chapter में one of the preparation methods of alkane this we are using only. So note करो So when compound containing note करो, when compound देखो when compound containing acidic hydrogens, ultimate compounds are alkane. Now two applications have been discussed. What are the applications we discussed? First application is formaldehyde to primary alcohol, acetaldehyde to secondary alcohol, acetone to tertiary alcohol. But compounds containing acidic hydrogens ఏదైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటన్నిటితో కూడా మనకి ఏ కాంపౌండ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుందంటే చెక్ చేస్తాం. This compound is alkane is formed ultimately. Right? Sure. We can discuss other examples. We can discuss other examples. Okay, some acid derivatives. Some acid derivatives like esters gani, acid chlorides gani, acid halides gani, etc. Ultimately we get tertiary alcohols. Ultimately we get tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohol form అవుతుంది. ఎలానో చూద్దాం, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూద్దాం. अच्छा, go for one ester. अच्छा, well known example है ester है CH3 C+1O. अच्छा, OC2H5. एक एस्टर लिया मैंने एक एस्टर लिया. Now I am going to add some Grignard reagent. CH3MgBr. Now see the simple mechanism, nucleophilic addition only. क्या nucleophilic addition क्या होता है? Nucleophilic addition है. अच्छा, ये Grignard reagent है. This is added O. Simple mechanism. अच्छा, O minus దగ్గర MgBr add అవుతుంది, కార్బన్ దగ్గర methyl add అవుతుంది. Then I can write like this: CH3 O MgBr. अच्छा, ACH3 AOC2H. अच्छा, then followed by hydrolysis. अब देखिए, then followed by hydrolysis. अच्छा, hydrolysis చేస్తే మనకి H+OH- OMgBr. अच्छा, H+OH-. Now H+OH-. मतलब it undergoes hydrolysis చేస్తే acidic medium లో మనకి ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుంది అంటే అల్టిమేట్లీ గా CH3 COH CH3 ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. బట్ ఫర్ యువర్ కైండ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, ఇన్ ఆర్గానిక్ కాంపౌండ్ లో, if organic compound లో both OH groups present same carbon molecule is unstable. ఇది unstable అవుతుంది. If two OH groups present in the same carbon atom, the molecule is unstable. Immediately it loses one water molecule. That means acetone is. Ajay, suppose if you use 1 mole here, 1 mole only, 1 mole of Grignard reagent only we used, acetone is ultimate form. But you can use excess. Achha, suppose I go for one more molecule. They go one more molecule of another molecule of Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis. This is a previously application. You remember when acetone reacts with the Grignard reagent, tertiary alcohol is formed. But that means tertiary alcohol is obtained. And again, one more example already we discussed. What example we discussed? Now still suppose 2 mole, 3 mole. This is 2 mole. Previously 1 mole. excess of Grignard reagent. ఇంకా మనం excess గా యూజ్ చేస్తే we know this is called acidic hydrogens. If a compound having acidic hydrogen, immediately methane is formed. Methane is formed. अच्छा, applications में they may ask the applications also if excess of Grignard reagent, but ultimately esters गाने acid derivatives गाने when reacted with Grignard reagent, corresponding tertiary alcohol is formed. This is third application. Note करो. अच्छा, this is third application. First application is formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, acetone, the first application. Compound containing acidic hydrogen, second application. Like acid derivatives, like except amides, acid chlorides गाने, esters गाने, anhydrides गाने, they give tertiary alcohols. Right? चलो, one more application. अच्छा, మనకి ఇవన్నీ అప్లికేషన్ అని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు మనం. ఇప్పుడు కన్వర్షన్ లో అడుగుతా ఉంటారు ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీలో. వన్ మోర్ అప్లికేషన్. अच्छा, one more application. React with cyanides, carbonyl compounds. अच्छा, Grignard reagent react with the cyanides. Cyanides తో రియాక్షన్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుంది అంటే అల్టిమేట్లీ కార్బొనైల్ కాంపౌండ్స్ వస్తాయి. కార్బొనైల్ కాంపౌండ్స్ వస్తాయి. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూద్దాం. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ when react with HCN, अच्छा react with CH3CN, suppose it also react with the C6H5 C triple bond N. अच्छा, when react with the Grignard reagent, any Grignard reagent, you take suppose CH3MgBr. अच्छा, what happens? अच्छा, same mechanism है. What is same mechanism? मतलब here partial positive charge, partial negative charge and positive charge. So carbon దగ్గర మెథైల్ గ్రూప్ యాడ్ అవుతుంది. अच्छा, ఎడిషన్ ఓకే యాడ్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్ బికమ్ డబుల్ బాండ్ అవుతుంది and MgBr. अच्छा, ఫాలోడ్ బై హైడ్రాలిసిస్. దీని హైడ్రాలిసిస్ చేస్తే నేను నాకు ఎసిటాల్డిహైడ్ వస్తుంది. ఇలా ఎసిటాల్డిహైడ్ వస్తుంది ప్లస్ అమోనియా గ్యాస్ లిబరేట్ అవుతుంది. బై ప్రొడక్ట్ మెగ్నీషియం హైడ్రాక్సీ బ్రోమైడ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. अच्छा, HCN when react with Grignard reagent ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుందో చూడండి ఒకసారి. अच्छा, మనకి ఎసిటాల్డిహైడ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, అమోనియా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, మెగ్నీషియం హైడ్రాక్సీ బ్రోమైడ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే మనకి కార్బొనైల్ కాంపౌండ్స్ వస్తాయి చూడండి. when react with cyanides, कार्बोनिल compounds वस्ते. अच्छा, one more application आप देख लीजिए. Another application, similar example है. Another application. अच्छा, other example आप देख लीजिए. अच्छा, this when react with the Grignard reagent CH3MgBr. Same application ना. Partial positive charge, partial negative charge. तो ये partial positive charge, sorry. ये partial negative charge, partial positive charge. याद करो न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन है. CH3 CMG CH3 डबल बॉन्ड NMgBr. Then we can add हाइड्रोलिसिस करो. इसको हाइड्रोलिसिस करो. क्या बनेगा आप देख लीजिए. एसीटोन बनेगा. अच्छा when undergoes हाइड्रोलाइसिस करेगा तो क्या बनेगा? हाइड्रोलाइसिस करेगा तो क्या बनेगा आप देख लीजिए, एस्टोन बनेगा CH3 COO4 కాబట్టి conclusion when cyanides react with the lignol reagent corresponding carbonyl compounds are बने. This is one more application. अच्छा चलो लास्ट एप्लीकेशन है, लास्ट एप्लीकेशन है आप देख लीजिए. Grignard reagent react with CO2, reacts with CO2 కావచ్చు CS2 కావచ్చు ఏదైనా కావచ్చు CO2 corresponding carboxylic acids बनेगा, carboxylic acids obtained. కార్బాక్సిలిక్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూద్దాం. अच्छा सी डबल అంటే అన్నిట్లో కూడా ఎగ్జాంపుల్ న్యూక్లియోఫిలిక్ అడిషన్ है. కార్బన్ డయాక్సైడ్ one grignard reagent. अच्छा सिंपल grignard reagent देखो for simple grignard है CH3 MgBr. अच्छा आप देख लीजिए ये नेगेटिव चार्ज है, ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज. अच्छा एनी वन यू कैन कंसीडर, ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, ये नेगेटिव चार्ज. अच्छा nucleophilic addition simple thing is where electron deficiency is there, that in that place CH3 minus can भी ऐड करना. अच्छा C डबल बॉन्ड वो, अच्छा O, अच्छा ये मैं ग्रुप्स ऐड చేస్తున్నాను చూడండి. अच्छा here we are adding కార్బన్ దగ్గర మెథైల్ గ్రూప్ యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాను, ఆక్సిజన్ దగ్గర MgBr యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. then followed by hydrolysis, hydrolysis అంటే మనకి తెలిసిందే, followed by hydrolysis मतलब H plus and OH minus, H plus and OH minus. So H plus OH minus CH3 COOH అంటే మనకి ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుంది అల్టిమేట్ గా కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది చూడండి ఇక్కడ CH3 COOH కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ओके दिस अ वेरी सिंपल टेक्निक है कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का. अच्छा चलो लास्ट कंक्लूजन है, हम कंक्लूजन में जाएंगे. अच्छा कंक्लूजन में जाएंगे, क्या कंक्लूजन में जाएंगे? Grignard reagent react with the ethylene oxide. ethylene oxide అంటే మనకి epoxide అంటాం జనరల్గా. इथिलीन ऑक्साइड అంటే epoxide అంటాం, epoxide ethylene oxide అంటాం. अच्छा अगेन ethylene oxide తో మనకి corresponding alcohols are formed. ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకి we get alcohols, this is also example for nucleophilic addition only. अच्छा एग्जांपल చూద్దాం. अच्छा CH3 MgBr epoxide तो reaction. अच्छा ऑब्वियसली आप देख लीजिए ये वाला ये साइन हो गया, नेगेटिव साइन हो गया, O माइनस हो गया, दिस कार्बन इज पॉजिटिव है, ये पार्शियल नेगेटिव चार्ज है, पार्शियल पॉजिटिव चार्ज. अच्छा ये मिथाइल ग्रुप यहाँ ऐड करेगा ऑक्सीजन के साथ MgBr. अच्छा देखो ऑक्सीजन के साथ ईयर, ऑक्सीजन के साथ MgBr है, ऑक्सीजन के साथ MgBr है। अच्छा देख लीजिए, एक बॉन्ड है, दूसरा बॉन्ड है, मतलब हाउ मेनी कार्बन है, ईयर 1 कार्बन है, 2 कार्बन है, 3 कार्बन है। अच्छा 1 2 3 कार्बन, 3 कार्बन है। अच्छा 1 कार्बन है, 2 कार्बन है, अच्छा 3 कार्बन, टोटल 3 कार्बन, 1 2 3 देख लीजिए। अच्छा ये 1 कार्बन है, 1 2, अच्छा सेकंड कार्बन దగ్గర యాడ్ అవుతుంది మెథైల్ గ్రూప్, సో 1 2 3 కార్బन है। अच्छा फॉलोड बाय हाइड्रोलाइसिस, फॉलोड बाय हाइड्रोलाइसिस मतलब H+ OH- है। अच्छा आपको बनेगा प्रोपाइल अल्कोहल बनेगा, CH3 CH2 CH2OH, प्रोपाइल अल्कोहल बनेगा, प्रोपाइल अल्कोहल बनेगा, राइट। अच्छा चलो वन मोर एग्जांपल, सिमिलर एग्जांपल, चलो सिमिलर एग्जांपल, सिमिलर एग्जांपल है क्या, सिमिलर एग्जांपल है। अच्छा C6H5 MgBr है। अच्छा इपॉक्साइड है, इपॉक्साइड है। अच्छा क्या बनेगा आप देख लीजिए। अच्छा O- है। अच्छा the phenyl group is added over here. अच्छा MgBr is added over oxygen only, ऑक्सीजन only. अच्छा क्या बनेगा देख लीजिए। अच्छा 1 2 2 कार्बन है। अच्छा నేను రాస్తాను ఫస్ట్ కార్బన్ కి CH2, ఇక్కడ OMgBr రాస్తాను ఫస్ట్ కార్బన్, సెకండ్ కార్బన్ కి సెకండ్ కార్బన్ కి ఒక ఫినైల్ గ్రూప్ యాడ్ చేస్తాను, CH2 एक फिनाइल ग्रुप ऐड చేస్తాను, एक फिनाइल ग्रुप ऐड చేస్తాను। अच्छा फॉलोड बाय हाइड्रोलाइसिस, फॉलोड बाय हाइड्रोलाइसिस H+ and OH corresponding alcohol बनेगा, we get corresponding alcohols, we get corresponding alcohol। CH2 CH2OH। अच्छा this kind of application they ask regarding to Grignard completely in 11th and 12th in our organic chapters, most of the application Grignard from this one means what is our final conclusion in one box, in our final conclusion in one box, देखो this is final conclusion है। अच्छा this is a final conclusion for me, what is the final conclusion is ఫార్మాల్డిహైడ్ కానీ ఎసిటాల్డిహైడ్ కానీ ఎసిటోన్ కానీ ఇథిలిన్ ఆక్సైడ్ కానీ అదే యాసిడ్ డెరివేటివ్స్ లైక్ ఎస్టర్స్ కానీ యాసిడ్ హ్యాలైడ్స్ కానీ ఎన్హైడ్రేట్స్ కానీ గ్రిగ్నార్ రీజియన్ తో రియాక్షన్ జరిగితే కరస్పాండింగ్ ఆల్కహాల్స్ ఆర్ ఫార్మ్। अच्छा ఫార్మాల్డిహైడ్, ఎసిటాల్డిహైడ్, ఎసిటోన్, ఇథిలిన్ ఆక్సైడ్, ఎస్టర్స్, యాసిడ్ హ్యాలైడ్స్, ఎన్హైడ్రేట్స్ కనుక గ్రిగ్నార్ రీజియన్ తో రియాక్షన్ జరిగితే, గ్రిగ్నార్ RMGX తో కనుక రియాక్షన్ జరిగితే అల్టిమేట్ కాంపౌండ్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్కహాల్స్, అలా కాకుండా మనకి లైక్ సైనైడ్స్ గ్రిగ్నార్ రీజియన్ తో రియాక్షన్ జరిగితే మనకు వచ్చే కాంపౌండ్ కార్బొనైల్ కాంపౌండ్స్, లైక్ మనకి కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ CO2 కనుక గ్రిగ్నార్ రీజియన్ తో రియాక్షన్ జరిగితే మనకు వచ్చే కాంపౌండ్ యాసిడ్స్, మనకు వచ్చే కాంపౌండ్ యాసిడ్స్. If compounds containing acidic hydrogens, compounds containing acidic hydrogens, Grignard reagent తో రియాక్షన్ జరిగితే మనకు వచ్చేది ఆల్కైన్స్. అచ్చా మనకి కంప్లీట్ గా Grignard reagent అప్లికేషన్స్ ఇవే మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం. అచ్చా మన సిలబస్ లో ఉన్న కూడా ఇదే. ఫార్మాల్డిహైడ్, ఎస్టాల్డిహైడ్, ఎస్టోన్, ఇథిలిన్ ఆక్సైడ్, ఎస్టర్స్, యాసిడ్ కరెస్పాండింగ్ ఆల్కహాల్స్ వస్తాయి మనకి. ప్రైమరీనా సెకండరీ డిసైడ్ చేస్తాం. సైనైడ్ అయితేనేమో కార్బోనైల్ కాంపౌండ్ వస్తుంది, CO2 అయితేనేమో యాసిడ్ వస్తుంది. కాంపౌండ్ కంటైనింగ్ ఎసిడిక్ హైడ్రోజన్ అయితే కనుక ఆల్కేన్ వస్తుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫైనల్ కన్క్లూజన్ in Grignard reagent. So tomorrow onwards, every day we can discuss one reagent, like one mechanism, like substitution elimination reactions, elimination versus substitution comparison also we are going to discuss. And due course of the time, organic chemistry chapter wise ఏమో నేను రెగ్యులర్ షెడ్యూల్ ఫాలో అవుతాను ఇన్ఆర్గానిక్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత. సో బట్ ప్యారలల్ గా మటుకి మనం రియేజెంట్స్ ఇలా డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం ఎవ్రీ డే, రైట్? Now tomorrow, if possible today, I will send this video also. But this weekend examination only isomerism, optical isomerism and confirmation isomerism. So thank you. Any doubt today topic? Grignard reagent topic. Any doubt you have? Any doubt you have Grignard reagent में? Example for nucleophilic addition है. अच्छा, which compound gives which final compounds? Alcohols. When we get alcohols, when you get carbonyl compound, when you get acids, when you get alkanes. Simple application. And don't forget, remember formation of Grignard reagent, carbanion formation only. Carbanion formation में क्या order of stability you remember, primary greater than, secondary greater than, tertiary. Any doubt you have? Anybody?
Oh, sure.
Okay, thank you. Achha, once again I am requesting all the students, tomorrow you have to write the examination without any fail. Don't tell any stories. Please write the examination without any. Thank you.